The U.S. Marine Corps has taken delivery of first MQ-9A extended range drone. The extended range drone has endurance of 30 hours with operational range of 2,592 kilometers, significant improvement from its predecessor. United States has announced completion of full-scale in-water testing of massive Manta Ray uncrewed underwater vehicle. As per the information, hydraulic performance at sea was tested, including submerged operations with all of vehicle's steering and propulsion systems. Footage trending on social media shows Chinese H-6K bomber firing air-launched ballistic missiles. The footage showed a Chinese H-6 bomber launching one of its mysterious ballistic missiles, which are also known as ship-killing weapons. Belgium has finally entered the European next-generation aircraft program called Future Combat Air System as an observer. The FCAS program involves collaboration among companies from France, Germany and Spain. Belgium has approved its observer status in FCAS program with an investment of €60 million for R&D.